The following night the cheap metal traps from the local horse and garden store continued to deliver. Having killed 2 mice the previous night, watching new individuals run around in our shed and nibble on the cheese sent a shiver down my spine and made me wonder, how many are they really? A dozen? Hundreds? Only time will tell. Pretty soon another one bit the dust. And not long after the first one, a second mouse knocked on the cheesy gate to mouse heaven. Just as the previous night, this did not disturb their buddy even a little bit. In the morning I once again emptied the traps and reset them. 3 more mice down. This time though, I just reset the mouse traps, not the rat traps. The rat has not been seen for quite a few days now and the rat traps are not ideal for catching mice. It almost cuts them in half and I don't want this to turn into a splatter film. I also loaded the Thanos with the same port salad cheese that I've used in the mouse traps, and also smeared some more bottled rodent candy on the ramp to the Thanos. Maybe this will help guide them to it. Indeed it did. Or at least it guided them up the ramp. But so far they have still not stuck their head up the Thanos hole. Maybe the ramp is too high. Too steep? Time to take a step back and revert the whole ramp idea. The next morning there was only 1 mouse dead in one of the mouse traps. Still, 6 down now in total. And that is 6-0 to Classic Snap Traps versus the Thanos MK47. However, one of the metal snap traps only lasted that long. The spring broke. Then again, it only cost me a little over $2 American or European euros, 29 Swedish kronor to be exact. The Thanos cost me about 100 US and has still caught nothing. Luckily, I still have the 1 cheap mouse trap to reset. I decided to move the Thanos closer to the ground, and to close the distance to the hole even further by placing the diagonal stick flat on the ground just in front of the orange back plate of the Thanos. Maybe now they will reach the opening and stick their little mousy head inside? We'll see.